I'm with some super fine shit, yeah, yeah. I'm with some super fine shit, yeah, yeah. She do it effortless and she don't need
Hi,
me.
Jenny.
No matter what the
Jen.
reason,
And then,
do it well.
ano ba?
She's so confident, she compliments.
Hi, kakatapos ko lang po mag-basketball. Ikaw yung nag-update kanina, no? Nanalo ka naman ba? Ewan ba yan?
Let me upgrade your life.
Thank you, Thank you.
Don't show off what I found. I'm talking speed from the clouds. Get on the back, what they see us. Some pretty brown eyes. This is so fine shit. I'm with some super fine shit.
Hello. Night. Wow, VIPC night.
You get the final thing. If I don't show off what I found, you know I'm talking.
Nag-live na ba si Alexa? Nightmare. Stibal. I'm here.
Pretty brown eyes. I'm with some super fine shit. I'm with some super fine shit.
Kin, hello. May crush ka ba kaya, no? May crush ka ba kay Alexa? Nightmare. Okay. Thank you for following me, Kin. Why, hello. Hi, Jay. Ching, hello. Sinasabi mo, bakit tinatanong ko lang naman? Yes, no. More Di ko alam. Di nga sinasabi ni Ivan sino special guest namin eh. Hey, Ivan, san ka? Wala na si Ivan. Di na matatanong. Ay, alam ko na sagot pagka ganyan.
Real love, you think you deserve it. Cut them off, go and find your purpose. Get you a nigga that's solid.
Yeah.
Baby, get you a big. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl.
Baka si Papa P. Shoot ko si Papa P yun. Ayun kaya ang crush ko, si Papa P. Ah, may jowa ka? Okay.
Like potential that you didn't know.
Sagot.
That nigga. Oh, yeah. It's time to mix it up and get your glow.
Anong grade mo na? College na ako. Wala, bata ka pa? Taon ka na, Merk?
I want you to know that, girl, you get it. You got it. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You got it. You got it. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
May jowa ako sa wala! Same!
Girl, what is it? It's cool, I know you stay down.
Shit, crush kita pag tomboy ka. Naging tomboy na lang ako lagi para sa'yo. Pag isang katulad mo, okay na rin. Wawa, parang okay na rin. Parang lugi ka pa. Parang lugi ka pa. Ipag... Okay, tinatanong ko lang naman. Ba't ka defensive, ha? Nagtatrabaho na po. Ah, okay. 22, 20 na. 21 na ako. Pero walang tomboy na nakasanto ganyan. Gago ka, di naman kasi ako tomboy eh.
It's time to mix it up and get your love. I know that you gon' get it. You can say
Thank you, Romel.
I want you to know that, girl. You got it. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You got it. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you my little baby. I'm gonna make it known, make it known.
May huli ka? Meron. Hi, John.
Oh, yeah.
Buti na lang nakilala rin kita sa Bigo. Sa'yo natin mag-t-shirt lang. Ano pa kasi?
So much. Nobody call you that is over. I want you to know that, girl.
Parang nahirapan ako. O, di ba? Sabay ka ganyan-ganyan ka ngayon. Nipunta ka.
Bright lights, fancy restaurants, everything
Minsan lang
in this
t-shirt
world
ka lang.
better make
Kasi
one.
ano ko,
Got a bank account bigger
di ako
than I
mapunta.
should allow.
Puro ano,
Now,
ang bahay ko,
pretty face
Sando.
on the covers of
Kakanta si sa Adib Gag. Makakawalan ng tao.
others wanna lay with me.
Tapat pa ng Twice concert sa Sabado. Ay, pupunta ka sa Twice?
Running out of time, even though it seems I have
Ha? Romel? Sa Blackpink naman ako.
no lessons.
Ay, hindi siya oversize sa akin. Gusto ko yung oversize super.
The money don't amount to you.
Medyo fitted. Ayoko na medyo fitted.
Have everything, but I can't pretend to
Mamaya na lang, Mafi. Wala, best friend. Di mo naman ako in-update eh.
stay without you, girl. Your perfume, your sexy love.
Boost mo nga. Ay, sorry.
I remember it
Bakit ba? Ano ba pinagkagawa mo sa buhay?
Thursday. Told me you had fallen in love. I wasn't sure that I was.
Ah, nagpapaano ka? Nagpapa-abs ka ba? Sa Blackpink con. Oo, kasama ka dun? Roman? Hi, Ralphie. Anong height?
I don't wanna be alone.
Ano? 5'3".
All of the women,
Bakit need?
expensive cars, all of the money don't amount to you.
Bakit need? AJ.
Everything, but I can't pretend.
Hindi ako medyo fan ng... Tama. 20 to 20K.
You, girl.
May shoot ako this month. Ah, okay.
Without you, girl.
Oo, ngayon 22. Pero 22 ako. Nag-order na ako eh. Dumating na eh. Yung, pakita ko sa inyo. Kahapon dumating. Sige. Ano yung ano eh? Ayun yung sa Hillsong kong isa. Oh, let's see. Buksan natin. Leave mo na.